Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Search and replace letters in Python lists. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to search for a specific letter in a word within a list and replace it with a corresponding word from another list using Python. This process can be useful for various applications, such as data cleaning, text manipulation, or simple letter substitution. Requirements. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial assumes basic knowledge of Python and programming concepts. Step 1. Define the lists. Let's start by defining two lists. The first list contains words where we want to search for a specific letter, and the second list contains the replacement words. Step 2. Search and replace function. Now, let's create a function that takes a letter to search for, searches for occurrences of that letter in the words of the first list, and replaces them with the corresponding word from the second list. In this example, the function takes the letter A to search for in each word of the first list. If the letter is found, it replaces the letter with the corresponding word from the second list. The updated word list is then printed. Step 3. Test with different letters. Feel free to test the function with different letters to see how it performs the search and replace operation. Conclusion. You've learned how to create a simple Python function to search for a specific letter in words within a list and replace it with a corresponding word from another list. This basic concept can be expanded for more complex scenarios or integrated into larger programs for text manipulation tasks. ChatGPT. Title: Python Tutorial: Search and replace letters in a word using lists. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to search for a specific letter in a word from the first list and replace it with a corresponding word from the second list in Python. This can be a useful task in various scenarios, such as data manipulation, text processing, or even game development. Requirements. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Step 1. Create lists. Let's start by creating two lists, one containing words with a target letter, and the other with replacement words. For this example, let's use the target letter and replace it with the word true. Step 2. Search and replace function. Now, we'll create a function that takes a word, searches for the target letter, and replaces it with the corresponding word from the second list. Step 3. Apply the function to the lists. Next, we'll iterate through the word underscore list and apply the search underscore and underscore replace function to each word, replacing the target letter with the word from the replace underscore list. Output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to search for a specific letter in a word from one list and replace it with a corresponding word from another list in Python. This technique can be customized to suit different scenarios, making it a versatile tool for text manipulation in your Python projects. ChatGPT.